Are you looking for a way to get teachers to incorporate technology into their course? Do you hear the same excuses day after day? I don't have time to learn something new. I don't know how to use it. I know the district said we have to use it, but it doesn't apply to my subject. Then you need the Twisted Tech app. Twisted Tech is like having an instructional designer in your pocket, ready to give you a technology boost whenever and wherever you need it. It's great for instructional designers because it can help deliver targeted, timely, and engaging activities tailored to the teacher's needs. It's also great because it meets them where they're comfortable, at their skill level, and gives them a jump start in incorporating higher-level learning activities without having to be an expert in technology. Administrators will love it because it offers a wide variety of projects for a large number of technology tools. So if your district invested in an expensive app that no one is using, Twisted Tech can easily adopt the tools for the specific needs and skill levels of the teachers. So how does it work? The app is a simple database that takes the difficult task of querying and simplifies it by asking the user a few questions. There's no need to learn difficult query code or complicated programming languages. Yuck! To get started, choose your subject area and your application type. Are you looking for a tool that will deliver content directly, or do you want your students to create something? Next, choose your user comfort level. Are you a beginner? Then you'll want bunny mode. A little more advanced? Try bear level. And if you're a power user with maximum app smashing abilities, go for the win in beast mode. Each level will deliver a combination of tech tool suggestions to get your students motivated and engaged. To see the app in action, let's meet Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith is a 6th grade science teacher, and he's looking for an engaging way to teach his students about physics. Mr. Smith launches Twisted Tech and selects Science. He's thinking about having the students create something, so he designates Curation mode. He's very comfortable with tech, and he really wants to challenge his students, so he's not afraid of Beast mode. Once he designates these 3 parameters, Twisted Tech returns a list of projects that use app-smashing techniques to combine different types of technology so that his students can create a digital physics model and then share it with a classroom in Spain so they can compare their results. Need another example? Here's Mrs. Anderson. Mrs. Anderson is a 3rd grade teacher who isn't quite as comfortable with tech. In fact, she's terrified of it. She launches Twisted Tech, and just to see what's available, she only wants to see beginner-level projects. She designates Bunny Mode, and Twisted Tech sends her a list of simple, beginner-level projects in all subjects. She finds an application that will help her students write online, and now she's using tech in her classroom. No fear and no headaches. Twisted Tech sends the request to our app server, where a series of behind-the-scenes code does all the heavy lifting for you. The server sorts the data and sends back a series of perfectly tailored projects to your mobile device. Click on the project you want to view, and you'll see an instructional video describing the project, as well as a link to email all of the resources required straight to your mailbox. The project instructions and resources reside on our state-of-the-art application server, designed for speed and reliability. By keeping our app in the cloud, we make it possible to host an unlimited amount of resources available to you to download as you need them, anytime, anywhere. Still not sure how it works? Here's the tea for all the nerds out there. The bulk of the work is completed by the Twisted Tech team. While in admin mode, they utilize a set of 3 simple commands to add to the database. Create a record, which adds a new project with all of its corresponding information, delete a record, which removes an outdated project from the database, and edit a record, which allows the administrator to edit applications or other items within the projects that may have evolved as technology tends to do. This allows the administrators to deliver the best content to the end user. The query is based on 3 parameters: user level, subject, and project type. The user can designate all 3, or they can leave one parameter open to see a wider range of project ideas. Whatever the query parameters, the app will always return a project array with the designated requirements. So that's it. Twisted Tech was designed by teachers for teachers. Our app is designed to make technology integration as pain-free as possible, and our projects are created to challenge, engage, and motivate your students using research-based best practices that will stimulate growth and provide measurable results.